Hi, I'm George.
And I'm Rachel, and we are A Couple's Quest. Today, we are in Oklahoma City at the Oklahoma Science Museum, and we are here to see all the great things that they have to offer within. Come with us.
All right, let's go. Do that one, the black one. Do it. Thank you. Cool. Good, good. What? Yeah, do it, do it, do it. What? Press it 3 times.
Oh, wait. Oh, it went out? Okay.
Press. Ah, no, you have to keep it pressed, no?
3. Oh, it goes faster.
It's grading, no?
Yeah. Whoa, the colors are insane.
Looks like it's someone inside there. Hello, friends! Wow, this is incredible. Look, my hand. Your hand is cold. He chose yellow, and yellow cannot see a lot.
I know.
That's cool. All right, guys, we're here in the planetarium. Is basically crazy. Have you ever been in a planetarium? Yeah, you can see the whole galaxy. Yeah, I think it's about the evolution of the Earth.
Right.
Yep.
Isn't just dry and barren and life won't be able to exist there. And that sweet spot is called the Goldilocks zone, or the habitable zone. And in our solar system, there are 2 other planets that are in this habitable zone.
Oh, cool! This is crazy. We're about to enter the mirror zone. So, oh, it's like oh my God. Oh, I almost hit myself. Oh. Oh. Why you? Okay.
If you look at the floor, you know.
Yeah, but wait. What?
Okay, now
All right, guys, we are here first in a little bit of skeletons that we love. We have,
Look at the turtle.
look, turtle shell. We have a whole collection in our house of skeletons and turtle shells and shells.
Like a bird nest.
Bird nest. That is like a wasp thing. And now we have a big mouth, and Rachel is very excited about her mouth. She's gonna try to learn everything and do everything. I can do it. It's hard. With only one hand, you can't. And this has to be the like here. Going here. But we're moving here.
I did not
She
have
just found, she's a dental hygienist, so she just found her place in the world.
I didn't have to bring my toothbrush. Wow. And look, the eyeglasses. That is so cool.
Oh wait, just kidding. This is the wrong show for that. Wow, my brain just lagged. We have our northern and southern lights. These are caused by our planet's magnetic field, which is going to be right here.
So basically the museum has a lot of things to do. Everything is super interactive. It's amazing, it's crazy how all the things you can touch, all the things you can interact with. So if you can come, it's gonna be good. We're gonna enter right now to the earthquake house, and we're gonna feel an earthquake. I'm from Mexico City, so I've been in a lot of earthquakes, small and big ones, like the one in 1997, but let's try it. That was crazy.
Is that like, do you feel it more on the floor though when you're actually in picture? The hourglass?
I told you that in picture they have
I
Galena.
didn't know.
Follow it. That is skeleton. Look that horse.
That horse looks like a Herkimer almost. There's a geode. Petrified wood. The sea urchin. Oh, that's beautiful.
We have a lot of.
My.
That's how the fluorescence is with one UV, and then if you turn it off, turn the blue one. Look.
It's like that one especially is cool because when you do that,
What?
it turns.
That's crazy.
Yes.
But that's crazy how that's an opal, highly.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's kind of the opal we have. That's like coffees. I'm so hungry. There's pizza. Lunch room.
there's an ambulance.
Oh yeah, there's
And Thomas. That's so cool.
All right, guys, we have a mess because this microphone is not wireless. That's why. But well, we asked for a pizza. It's like almost $11. Looks good. Looks very good. $155, and then in the moon
21 pounds.
you're only 21. Oh, I'm gonna send you to the moon. All right. You look so good. No, what are you doing? A CPR simulator. What? This place is huge. You can play here with water.
Oh my god.
So you can play here with the water, then you dry there, you dry here for $2. Alright guys, we are getting out of time right now, and there's still a lot of things to do. There's crazy things. We're gonna try to go to the tornado. So cool. All the things you can buy.
Classic shark teeth. And arrowheads. Rainbow agate amethyst. These are $4.
Alright guys, we're just out. It was hard. It was 2.5 hours.
No, like 3.
3 hours. Oh my god. But it's super fun, it's super interactive, and well, don't forget to come to Oklahoma, check the Science Museum of Oklahoma. Don't forget to hit that button of subscribing if you are not doing it yet. Don't forget to like this video if you really like it, and we're gonna have a lot more videos. We have a lot of things to do, and well,
I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.
all right.